Well, there's kind of some stuff going on. So, a tornado just hit our area recently. When I say recently, I mean within the last few hours. So, one of our neighbors down the street looks like their property got hit really, really bad. We're going to go over there and offer a neighborly helping hand if they want it. And if they don't, no issues. But we're going to do what we can. So, first things first, we need to get some equipment ready. Most of everything is pretty much fueled and oiled, ready to go. But every saw isn't, grab it and go. So we got to get some chain sharpened real quick. We're going to sharpen the only chain I have for the 395. We're going to bring that with us. We're going to bring the 395. We're going to bring the 562 XP. And we're probably going to bring the 550 XP Mark II as well. I don't know the extent of the damage, but from what I've seen in pictures and videos, it's not good. Their house is okay, but their whole property is destroyed. The tornado pretty much came within 2 or 3 miles of our house. Thankfully, didn't get us, but other people aren't so fortunate. So we're gonna get to it, and we're gonna lend a helping hand where we can. So we're gonna get this going. So we have the 395 already on the bench. We just got to get the chain sharpened for it. It's all cleaned up, ready to go. I know there's going to be a lot of whole trees that are going to be down. Where's the other part now? There it is. So we're going to need pretty much the biggest we got in our inventory, as well as the smallest and the medium as well. So the 562 should be ready to go. Ouch. Oh, chain sharp. Yeah. Chain's ready to go on this. Tension's good. It's got fuel in it, not a whole lot. We'll bring fuel with us, bring oil with us. So this is coming. This is coming. So we're going to bring the trifecta with us. The 562, 60cc, the 50cc, lightweight little ribber, and the big boy, Big Bertha. Big girl, I should say. So we're going to go ahead and get this going, and we're going to go see if we can help some neighbors out. Because right now, from what I've seen, it doesn't look good at all. Like multiple trees ripped up, the whole property is pretty much destroyed. That was the path of the tornado. So we're gonna keep going at it. We're gonna put these saws aside. We're gonna get some grinding going, and we're gonna get out there. This is all going to be filmed with a front camera, so I apologize for the angles and the views right now. They're not going to be pretty much what they would be if I was just kind of hanging out. We're trying to get our equipment loaded up and get to the scene as fast as possible. I really wish I didn't have to sharpen a chain, but this is the only one that I have for this saw. So I have to do this. Ouch. You can tell it's not very sharp because I just ran across my whole hand and it didn't cut me, so definitely needs to be sharpened. Turn our light on here. Get set up. I'm actually going to grind this to 25 and see if it does any difference. The wheel I got to change out. It's the wrong size. Hi, Gigi. Yeah, I see your legs. Yeah, I see your feet. Nope, you disappeared. Oh, nice. Oh. Yeah. No, I can't see you. I can't see you. I gotta sharpen this chain, buddy. It's gonna smell. I don't think you're gonna be down here, buddy. You're probably gonna go upstairs. Clean up the grinding wheel with the stone. Hang on, buddy. I gotta get this done, okay? Let's mark our tooth. Safety third. Got my cousin coming by in a few minutes to drop off some chains. Because right now everyone's going to be cutting. A lot of people got affected by this tornado. And we're in western New York, in an area that we really don't see tornadoes. Now this chain has 105 drivers on it, so it does take a little bit of time to sharpen. Alright, we're good on that. Now we're going to switch back over to the other side of the chain. Also the 25 degrees. Alright, and this here, get more chains grinded and we'll be back with you.